Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share an instant eggless bread pudding recipe that's super easy and a quick dessert and can be prepared anytime just with simple few ingredients. It can be served either warm or chilled and it's super soft and literally melts in mouth, tasting extremely delicious. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. So let's learn how to make instant bread pudding at home in an easy way. So into a pan add 4 cups of milk. Each cup is 200 ml. Then heat up the milk on a medium flame. Meanwhile, let's see what other ingredients we require. We require 1 cup of condensed milk and a custard mixture. Now to make the custard mixture, into a bowl, take 4 tablespoons of custard powder. The ratio is very simple. To every 1 cup of milk, take 1 tablespoon of custard powder. Then add little milk which is at room temperature. Then mix well and make sure there is no lumps. The custard mixture is ready now, so keep it aside. Now let's move on. We also need few dry fruits. So here I have taken cashews, walnuts and almonds. So we need to chop them finely. As you can see, I have chopped them finely. Now let's move on to the milk that's about to boil. So reduce the flame to low and then add the condensed milk to it. Now mix well until it's well combined. Then add in the custard mixture. And stir well to combine and cook for a minute. Keep stirring constantly and soon you will see that the milk starts to boil and also starts thickening. Once it starts thickening, as you can see, switch off the flame immediately as we don't want to thicken it more. This is the consistency we are looking for. It shouldn't be neither thin nor too thick. Then to it add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix well again. The custard milk mixture is ready now. Now let's move on. Take the bread slices. Here I have taken 6 slices, that's regular white bread. You may take any bread of your choice. Then cut them into small cubes. Breads are ready. Now take a baking tray and then grease it with ghee or clarified butter. Sorry, I missed to record that part. So do grease it. Then lay half the bread pieces. This is the first layer. Then pour the custard milk mixture over it. Once you pour the mixture, press it so that the bread absorbs the milk. Now arrange the second layer of bread. And then again we're gonna pour the remaining mixture and press it nicely so all bread absorbs the liquid mixture. Make sure the breads are soaked well and then allow it to sit for 5 minutes. Once breads are soaked well, just tap it for a few times and then garnish it with chopped dry fruits and nuts. You may add any fruits and nuts of your choice. I love these, so I'm adding it. Now either serve it as it is or chill in a refrigerator and serve it. We may also bake and serve it, which I'm going to show. So I'm going to bake this in an oven. So let's bake it. So placing the bread pudding in the oven. And then we're going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Mine was ready in 10 minutes. Do check in between. You need to bake until the custard is set. Initially, you'll find that the pudding bubbles and rises up while baking. It will come down after baking, so ensure you leave some space on top while setting the bread and custard mixture. Otherwise, it might overflow while baking. Now, pudding is baked well. It's really very hot, so handle with care. Now, allow it to cool down a bit and then you may serve it warm or even refrigerate and serve chilled. I have refrigerated it for a couple of hours and let me show you how it looks. This is how it looks after keeping in refrigerator. The texture looks so beautiful and it's very soft and very spongy. And when you have it, it really melts in mouth. And the taste is extremely awesome. Look at it. It's a rich and a delicious dessert that's super easy, quick to make as we made it instantly in just 10 minutes. Each and every bite was super soft and tasted awesome. So do try this eggless bread pudding that's super easy and a quick dessert and serve it either warm or chilled. In both ways, it will taste extremely delicious. And enjoy with your loved ones. Hope you like this quick dessert. If so, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so and also like and share it. Soon we'll be coming up with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care of yourself and stay safe wherever you are. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye bye.